Hey, good evening, guys. This here's Big Rig Bill, aka Dollar Bill. First, let me say I changed my name, my channel name, from Dollar Bill to Big Rig Bill because it was too hard to find me. If people search for me, you'd see 2-3 million hits on the Dollar Bill that would pop up. I tried many different variations of it, and I still had the same problem. So I just switched it to Big Rig Bill. Everybody calls me Dollar Bill, but my channel is Big Rig Bill. Anyway, just click on my icon next time you see me in a live chat on somebody, somebody on their channel with a live show where you can make comments. Just go ahead and click on my icon, or if you want to search for me by name, search for Big Rig Bill. Anyway, I'm at the Iowa 80 truck stop here, exit I believe 284 on Interstate 80. Iowa 80 truck stop supposedly is the largest truck stop in the world. Has 900 parking spots. Now, I don't know if it really is the largest, because that's what they say. Anyway, I wanted to give you guys an idea of what this place looks like. It's about 10 o'clock at night. It's getting pretty crowded, but there's still plenty of spaces. That's why I decided to come here, because I knew I'd be able to find a spot to park. I'm going to flip this camera around here, give you a quick shot of what it looks like from here on top of a hill, and then I'll walk down through the trailers and tractors and into the building so you can see what the inside looks like. All right, so stand by 1 second. Okay, this is a look from a hill just to the north side of the truck stop, Iowa 80. So you can see it's pretty crowded. It's about 10 o'clock at night. Still plenty of spots though. Plenty of spots for parking. This building over here to my right, it's actually a trucking museum. I don't have time to go in there tonight, but one day if you're here, check it out. And I just wanted to all show you what it looks like from a little bit of overhead. And I'm going to walk down here in a minute, walk through the tractors and trailers, and up into the building over there, which to me was the most impressive part of this place. It's so big that they got three trucks on the inside of the building. One of them has actually a full-size trailer. So let's go take a look. I'm going to go to the east of the eastern side of the truck stop, walk down it, and then I'll walk towards the west through a bunch of the trucks. As soon as this truck passes behind me, I'm going to cross over to the other side just so you guys can get a better view. Hopefully this isn't too boring for you. I'm not going to walk all the way down there, but straight ahead you can see there are some pumps there where you can refuel. It's the TA portion of the truck stop, so a lot of people go there to fuel. I don't know how many rows there are, but like I said, there's supposed to be 900 spots here. It's about 44 degrees right now, so it's not too bad. Cold enough for a coat, but not freezing. Now what I showed you from the hill looks like most of the truck stop, but it's actually not for the parking area. Here to my left, when I turn this camera, you'll see some more spots here that I couldn't really see from the hill. And that's probably like a half of the lot still over here. There's about 6 or 7, 10 rows over here. And down on the other side of the pumps over there, you can't really see, but there's probably another 3, 4, 5 rows back there. Okay, we're gonna walk over here towards the building, I think. I got a Wendy's here. Across the street is a Pilot. The Pilot has an Arby's. And that's directly across the street. On the other side of the interstate, there's also a Pilot. I left the Chicago, Illinois area a few hours ago. Picked up a load at Lowe's Distribution Center, and headed north of Kansas City. So I knew this was a very large truck stop and that I could find some parking here, so that's why I came here. Let's scoot through this little slot right here and we'll head into the building. Again, they said it's the world's largest truck stop. Now, I don't know if that's true or not, but I just wanted to give you guys a good idea of what was here. Got a Caribou Coffee House inside. It's pretty good. It's kind of like Caribou is really from the West Coast. It's really the competition for Starbucks. So this is what the front of the building looks, the Iowa 80 truck stop. Let's walk inside. Let's go check it out. Remember, we're inside this building. There's not only about 3 semis, but this truck itself has the trailer hooked to it. Pretty cool, huh? Just going to walk through a couple of these aisles, show you what kind of stuff they have. Bunch of headlights, different types of trucks, aftermarket, and LED headlights. Anything you can want for a semi truck you'll find here. Some seat covers for the NFL teams. Of course, for me, they won't have my team because they never have the Bengals. They have the Steelers, but not the Bengals. Here's another semi they have in here. Let's take a step up inside of it and check it out. Man, is this sharp. Probably can't see back there too well. It's a little dark in here today. It's a nice Peterbilt. Here's another one called the Blue Ox. All chromed out also. Take a look inside this Kenworth. And they're not going to let us inside, but they got a piece of plexiglass covering the door. But check it out, all the lights are digital. Need a steering wheel? I got all kinds of them here. Knobs for your shifter. Pipes. You name it, they got it. Some horns. Clothing, they got boots, coats, safety gear.
Broke 2 of them today on that skinny road.
They even got their own custom shop for doing vinyl lettering, logos, stuff like that. That's what this is. It's nighttime now, so they're not open. There's all the vinyl. They do everything right here. They do engraving, embroidery, decals, license plates, etc. And upstairs in the loft, got showers, laundry, barber, movie theater, restrooms, library, TV lounge, dentist, chiropractor. I'm not gonna go up there, but that's a lot of stuff. Tell you, if you want to buy a gift, this is the place to buy it. Got a restaurant in here. I haven't decided where I'm going to eat. There's a couple fast food places in here too. I may come back in here and eat. Let's see what else they have in here. This old truck in here. And up here's where the restrooms are. And a couple fast food restaurants. There's a Dairy Queen, a Wendy's, Pizza Hut. Not sure what else. Caribou Coffee is all closed up. Usually I'll come here in the morning and grab one. Got a little construction going on up here right now. I think that's where the Pizza Hut was. Yeah, they got a lot of construction going up here right now. Got a Taco Bell in here. I wouldn't mind getting a mug there, but $34 is a little steep. That's an old Ford right there. Alright guys, I'm gonna go get me something to eat. Like I said, I just wanted to show you all what this place looked like. Iowa 80 truck stop. Interstate 80, exit 284. If you're ever coming this way, you need a place to park, just about guaranteed you'll have a spot here. I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good night.